Okay, so here we are. We are going to give this wonderful webinar in this afternoon talking about antioxidant actives and antioxidant products and our protocols. And you know a little bit before that about Dermaswiss company and where are the products made and everything. So if this is your first time connecting with the Dermaswiss seminar or webinar, please let me know. You can type your questions or your comments in the chat window to your right side. And I have Rachel Kremer. This is not your first time. Wonderful. Thank you so much for connecting again. I am really happy to see your name again here. And yes, you are from Philadelphia, I remember. And you told me that still everything was closed there, I think, so far as last week, everything was closed there, right? So who else I have here? I have Daneji, my dear, big hug for you. I have Edith Hernandez. Edith, hi, how are you? We have Lida Vera and we have Sandra Miranda. So great, 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 great. Okay, so Dermaswiss is a unique skincare line with more than 26 years in the industry. Our products are made in Switzerland, the majority of them in a laboratory that has more than 60 years of experience. And some of the other products are made here in the United States with European actives, with European ingredients. And why is that? Because those are, you know, usually the best, and we have a great compromise with with the quality of the products. So we have botanical, marine, and biological ingredients. Our ingredients are of the highest quality, and we have products for all skin types and all skin conditions. When you start working with Dermaswiss, you will see a difference before and after when you follow a complete protocol, you know, that the protocols that we suggest and that we recommend. We have those ones that are called the master protocols, and the first one that I really recommend for you to start working with those is the brightening illuminating. And why is that? Is because in that protocol you are going to have the mandelic acid and you are going to have the glycolic acid 30%, and you are going to use the Epifactor, which is the best seller from Dermaswiss. Is the 911 is the Epifactor, is the restoring, repairing, regenerating product. And you are going to have there as well the Derma-C, which is one of our best serums, the ones that we have right now. So the brightening illuminating is a wonderful protocol. Remember to follow the protocol from A to Z. Don't change product. Don't use another product that we are not suggesting in that step unless you have a lot of knowledge in the use of the line and you know what you are doing, you know, because if, you know, sometimes happens that there are people that are like, okay, so I don't have the Derma-C, but I have this vitamin C from this other company. Oh, right, I don't have this hyaluronic acid plus, but maybe I have this hyaluronic acid from this other company. So then when you finish the protocol, what you did is another complete protocol than the one that we suggest you. Okay, so you are not going to have the results that we are guaranteeing you when you follow our protocols. Our line is parabens free. We do not make testing animals, and another thing is that we have a very strong corporative support. Once you start working with us, we are going to assign you a representative, which is a person that's going to be giving you information about products, protocols, actives, sales material, and that person is going to be your link with our company. So really try to be in touch with her because she's going to guide you. She's going to, you know, take the lead for you so she can show you the products and everything from our company. You are going to see that we are always offering webinars, seminars. The difference is that webinars are free and seminars, online seminars, are paid. And online seminars, you are going to have a certificate, you know, a certification for the hours and for the knowledge that you have received in that seminar. Social media is really important today because that's a way for you to do promotion and for you to do marketing for your business without any payments. So it's really a wonderful, non-expensive way to make marketing and promotions. So what we are suggesting is that you always need to have for your account for your business, or an account in Facebook, or an account in Instagram. You are going to find us in Instagram as DermaSwiss_pro, DermaSwiss_pro. And as well, we have DermaSwiss Institute. So if you want, you can follow both accounts. We are always placing information in both of them. And as well, we have DermaSwiss Alone, which is for retail clients. You know, it's for your clients and friends of your clients, usual people that are not estheticians and that wants to know more about DermaSwiss products. So please follow us in DermaSwiss_pro to have you know, the last news and everything from DermaSwiss. Okay, so let's start talking about free radicals. So what are free radicals? Free radicals are molecules that have a great reactive power. And why is that? It's because these molecules have a free electron. You know, electrons are in pairs in the molecule, and there is one electron that doesn't have any pair. It's alone. And what happens is this is going to make this molecule very unstable, because it is going to need to react with another electron in order to stabilize. So what is going to happen? This molecule is going to get an electron from another molecule, you know, in order to stabilize. So when this molecule gets an electron from another molecule, it's damaging that other molecule, and that other molecule is going to get an electron from another molecule. And when that happens, you know, it's going to start a chain reaction of thousands and thousands of free radicals that are going to damage our body, that are going to damage our skin. These molecules are going to oxidize and are going to alter the tissues, and they are going to age our body, age our skin, our organs through the deterioration of cell membranes. They are going to cause negative health effects throughout life due to their ability to alter DNA, the genes, our genes, proteins, and lipids or fats. So it's said that we human beings, that we are going to age and we are going to die due to the accumulation of so much damage of free radicals, of the free radicals damage. Okay, so that's the theory of aging, what it says. So our body is going to accumulate so much damage until, you know, our organs start damaging and our body is going to die. So as the body ages, it's going to lose the ability to fight the free radicals. We human beings, we create substances in our body to fight the free radicals, you know, but the more we age, the less we are going to produce those substances. So that's why we are going to need help to create the antioxidants for our skin and the antioxidants for our body, you know, so we can prevent and we can diminish the oxidative stress, okay, which is what is caused by the free radicals. So here you can see in this image, you can see a stable molecule, and you can see here a molecule that is missing one electron. I mean, they are not in pairs. So you have two, and there is one extra electron here, you know, so this free radical is missing, you know, another electron. So this is what is called a free radical, okay? Now, what are antioxidants? Antioxidants are chemicals that lessen or prevent the effect of free radicals. The antioxidants are going to donate one electron to the free radicals, and is going to stabilize that free radical, and it's going to reduce their activity, their reactivity, okay? So what makes antioxidants unique is that they can donate this electron without becoming reactive free radicals themselves. Remember, in the beginning, I told you, you have this free radical, and it's going to get another electron, an electron from another molecule, and that molecule is going to become itself a free radical, and that is going to take another electron from another molecule, and like that. But with antioxidants, that's not going to happen. So the antioxidant is a molecule that is going to donate the electron, and it's not going to become a free radical itself. Okay, so antioxidants are very powerful, and we produce antioxidants in our body. And at the same time, we are going to get antioxidants from the food that we have, that we eat. You know, we are going to get those, a lot of antioxidants. There is several types of antioxidants that we can get from the food. So you can see here the donation. This is the antioxidant, and the antioxidant is going to donate an electron, okay, to this free radical, which had an unpaired electron, and now is going to have both electrons, so it's going to stabilize. So this is an antioxidant. This is the power of these wonderful molecules that we really need to love, okay? We need every time antioxidants. I always say, I have this saying that says antioxidants are the source of youth. The more antioxidants you can eat, the more antioxidants you can apply to your skin, the less you are going to age, right? So they very, very powerful substances and very powerful actives or molecules, how you want to call it. So here, you know, I have brought this image because I think it's very funny, but is at the same time, it helps us remember what are antioxidants and how they work. Okay, so you have here in the middle the free radical, and the free radical is trying to get this electron from the healthy atom, and by the side, you know, it's a neighbor molecule, and we have here to the right side the antioxidant, which is very cool, this guy, and is giving this electron like, ah, hey, take mine, I have a lot more, so you can take this electron, it's not going to damage me. So this is the cool guy, the antioxidant, okay, and it's going to help us to remind this. So antioxidants are going to act as radical scavenger, hydrogen donor, electron donor, peroxide decomposer, singlet oxygen quencher, enzyme inhibitor, synergies, and metal chelating agents. Okay, so they have a lot of benefits for our body and for our skin. Okay, so here you can see the damage in the skin due to sun. Okay, but what is the relation between the sun damage, the free radicals, and the antioxidants and everything? Well, it's said the biggest source of free radicals is the sun of the light, is the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Okay, this is the biggest fountain, the biggest source and cause of free radicals. So that's why we should avoid the ultraviolet rays of the sun in the center, in the middle of the day, because they are going to be really do a great damage to the skin. So you can see here how the skin is going to look when you have this, what is called the photoaging. You know, when you have photoaging, which is the extrinsic aging, is the external causes for aging, you are going to have this, a lot of hyperpigmentation. This is a skin that has been exposed a lot to the sun, so then you are going to have these consequences. Okay, the sun is going to generate this in the skin with the pass of the years. That's not going to happen like for tomorrow, for the next year, but in 10 years, in 15 years, you are going to start seeing this huge damage, okay, in the skin. It's going to manifest like that, like hyperpigmentation, which is going to be very uneven hyperpigmentation, you know, and hypopigmentations, where you are going to have both like little freckles in the skin, or this big, a little bit more big maculas in the skin. And this is this in the right side, you can see it's a very severe sun damage here. Look at how many hyperpigmentation, premature wrinkles. You are going to see that as well, you know, as the sun damage in the skin. And this is excess as well of free radicals, excess of free damage of the free radicals. So here you are seeing as well the sun damage. You can confirm it because you are going to see the hyperpigmentation as well in the shoulders, in the back of the skin of the person. Here you have sun damage as well. Okay, you can see here a lot of the hyperpigmentation and the hypopigmentation as well. And here you can see, which is the same, sun damage or photoaging, extrinsic aging. You know, this is the damage caused in the skin by the external, by the sun. You know, this is the extrinsic aging. So you can see here in the left, a lot of the hyperpigmentation and the hypopigmentation, but in the right, you are going to see more wrinkles, because when you get this damage with these free radicals on the ultraviolet rays of the sun, you are going to have a lot of damage to the collagen in the skin, to the elastin, damage to the hyaluronic acid, to the intercellular matrix. You are going to have a lot of damage in the lipids of the skin. The skin is going to become really thick. Okay, so all of those are effects of the extrinsic aging, or you know, the aging by free radicals as well. You can see it here: premature wrinkles, a lot of wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, hypopigmentation. You are going to see as well premature aging in people that smoke. In people that excessively smoke, you are going to see that premature aging as well. And it is because the pollution of the smoke is going to generate this damage in the skin by the free radicals. Okay, so the more of the free radicals, the more aging you are going to have in your skin. And here we have more sun damage or photoaging, ultraviolet rays, free radicals. Okay, so you have more here. The pollution in the streets, in the smoke of the cars, all of those are sources of free radicals. Like when you are burning paper, or when you are burning wood, you know, in that smoke, you are going to have a lot of free radicals as well. When you are doing meat in the you know, in the barbecue or things like that, a lot of free radicals as well. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the antioxidants. Example of antioxidants that come from outside the body. Okay, the body is not going to produce these ones. The body is going to produce glutathione, and the body is going to produce other kind of antioxidants inside. But the ones that you are getting from your diet are going to be vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, beta carotene, lycopene, lutein, selenium, manganese, zeaxanthin, flavonoids, catechins, polyphenols, which are extracted from the grapes, phytoestrogens, are all types of antioxidants and phytonutrients, and they are all found in plant-based foods. So this is what we need to go for: a lot of plant-based foods, vegetables, fruits, a lot of green, because there is where we are going to find what we need for our body and for our skin. Okay, so here I have brought you the routine for skin with sun damage, and this is a routine that you can use for that skin and those images that I just brought to you. So in the day, we are going to use the gentle cleanser or derma cleanser. That depends. If the skin is more dry, go with the gentle cleanser. If the skin is not so dry, then go with the derma cleanser. After the cleanser, you are going to recommend the dermatonic. And after the toning, you are going to recommend one serum, which is going to be the hyaluronic acid plus or the Stilift. We are going to talk about all of these products in a moment. And then you are going to recommend the ceramide MPX, which is the moisturizer for dry skin or dehydrated skin. And after that, you are going to apply the sun protection. In the night, it's going to be or the gentle cleanser or the derma cleanser. And after that, the dermatonic, and then the Derma C. And the Derma C is a very, very, very powerful antioxidant that we have. It's a very anti-aging. It's wonderful for blemishes as well, for hyperpigmentation. So keep in mind that serum, Derma C, because if you have skin, you need Derma C. You are going to see wonderful results in your skin. And then we have the Supreme Night Cream, which is a cream that you are going to apply after the Derma C. And then we have the retinol. The retinol is retinol based, and you are going to apply it every 4 nights. And as well, you are going to see wonderful differences and results in your skin. Okay, so we have 2 protocols with high level of antioxidants. even that we have antioxidant actives in all of our protocols, but these two are going to be packed with antioxidants. And this is going to be the Recovery Antioxidant Master Protocol and the Radiant C Master Protocol. And I have brought them to you that I am going to give you those protocols in a little bit. So let's talk a little bit about the vitamin C, why we need vitamin C for our skin, how important is vitamin C for our skin. So the vitamin C is not actually produced by our body. So the only way to get it is through supplements on our diet, So we need to eat it, or we need, we need to eat food that is going to generate and is going to give us vitamin C, or we need supplements of the vitamin C. It has vital functions on the body. So we really need the vitamin C. And the trouble is that the vitamin C is hydrosoluble, is soluble in water. What that means that the vitamin C is not going to be stored in our body. We lose every day the vitamin C. So we take a little bit, our body uses it for so many hours, and after that you are going to lose it from your body. So that's why every single day we need to replenish the vitamin C through the food or through supplements, okay? Vitamin C is is an essential nutrient, okay, for the tissue repair. I don't know if you have heard sometimes dermatologists or when there are clients that are going to have a surgery for the skin, they suggested to use that they start taking vitamin C 1 month or 3 weeks before. Why is that? Because vitamin C is essential for the healing of the skin. The skin, in order to heal, the skin is going to need vitamin C. So that's why it's highly recommended to start taking vitamin C 3 weeks or 4 weeks before a surgery, okay? The vitamin C as well is going to be essential for the enzymatic production of various transmitters in our body. The vitamin C promotes the collagen production. Remember, the more collagen you have, the more, the better, the more firm you're going to have your skin. Is going to help diminish fine lines. You're going to have this youthful skin. So vitamin C promotes the production of collagen. It's going to protect the skin cells from damaging free radicals caused by UV exposure. The more you expose your skin to the ultraviolet rays, the more free radicals, the more aging, the more damage to your skin. Vitamin C as well is going to inhibit the melanin production in the skin. So if you inhibit the melanin production, you are going to have less hyperpigmentation in your skin. So that means you always need vitamin C when you're going to work with clients with hyperpigmentation. It's very, very, very important, the vitamin C, as well as the retinol for hyperpigmentation. And as well, the vitamin C is going to help repair damage from sun exposure and damage from the collagen loss by encouraging healthy cell turnover and regeneration. So here we have the Derma-C. I'm going to show it to you. This is our serum. Okay, it's like very light yellow. You can see it here. This is the, you know, this is a bomb of a serum, and I am going to tell you why. You know, it's because of the combination of certain ingredients that it has. The Derma-C, in the first place, it has the 3.0 ethyl ascorbic acid. This is a very different molecule of vitamin C. This is a synthetic molecule which is hydrosoluble and liposoluble. It's going to be soluble in water and in oil. That means that this molecule is going to penetrate in the skin easier. It's going to penetrate in the skin through the water and through the oil, and it's going to penetrate deeper in the skin, and it's going to target specifically the production of melanin. It's going to decrease the production of melanin, so you are going to have less hyperpigmentation with the use of the Derma-C. Another thing is it contains ferulic acid. When you have the ferulic acid together with the vitamin C, this means that this cream or this formulation is going to be very potent. And why is that? It's because usually vitamin C oxidizes very easily. But when you have it together with the ferulic acid is going to prevent that oxidation. Is going to help the vitamin C. Is going to defend the vitamin C from oxidation. So that means that the vitamin C is going to be more stable, and the product is going to preserve its potency for more time. So the product is going to be wonderful for more time, more active for more time with this kind of mixture, you know, the vitamin C with the ferulic acid. Here as well, you have the hyaluronic acid. What's the beauty of it? The beauty of it is that the hyaluronic acid is going to help hydrate the skin. So the more you water, the more water you have in the skin is going to be easier for the rest of the actives to work in the skin, because they can dilute and they can work in the skin and then can metabolize because there is water. Okay, so that's why we have the hyaluronic acid here. And as well, we have the melanostatin. The melanostatin it's a biomimetic peptide. That means that it is a peptide that's going to act and function in the skin as a natural ingredient of the skin, as a natural substance of the skin. So that's why it's so powerful. And at the same time as well, it's going to target specifically the production of melanin. So it's going to help with hyperpigmentation. It's going to help decrease hyperpigmentation. Girls, so how much time a client should be using the Derma-C to see a difference? 1 month, 1 full month. Every single night, you are going to use Derma-C, and then after 1 month, after 5 weeks, you are going to start seeing really a real difference in your skin. Derma-C as well contains rice extract. Remember, we have heard from Korean women or Japanese women or Chinese women, they use a lot of rice extract for their faces. And we know they have this porcelain and beautiful faces. So rice extract is very good for skin, okay? So this is the Derma-C. As I told you, if you have skin, you should apply the Derma-C. It's, this serum is going to have a very unique fragrance, smell, and that's because of the ferulic acid. So when you receive it, you know, and you start using it, you are going to feel it. You can apply it in the day as well. There is no any trouble because you have the ferulic acid here to defend your skin from free radicals or from everything. But the thing is, I always recommend it in the night, because remember that in the night, your skin is going to absorb 30% more of the actives in the products, okay? So here we have Still Left, okay? This is another serum that we have with antioxidants. This is a firming serum. We recommend it more than anything as a firming serum, you know. And this one contains the soy protein. And soy protein is going to seal moisture in the skin and is going to protect the skin from the premature aging due to hormonal damage, okay? This is the soy protein. At the same time, the Still Live with the extract of the seed of the sweet almond is going to tighten the skin. That's why we sell it as a contour, as a firming serum, okay, as a lifting serum. Because with these proteins, they are going to tighten the skin and they are going to provide elasticity and firmness and a natural radiance to the skin. The Still Live is wonderful to use in the day before the makeup. We sell it a lot for people that do professional makeup. Because of that, you are going to feel your skin like a canvas, like a seal, like really wonderful and lifted and tightened. So then you apply the makeup and it's going to be wonderful. And this serum contains the Iris florentina root, okay? And this is a very antioxidant active. So that's why we have included this one in this list of our antioxidants, okay? And now we have here the Bifactor. The Bifactor is at the 911, is our, you know, bestseller. Is a very regenerative, repairing, restoring gel. It's a kind of a very soft gel. This one contains aloe vera. This one contains plantain extract, which is very nourishing for the skin. It contains amino acids and ferulic acid, and that's why we have included the Epifactor in the antioxidant products because of the ferulic acid. The ferulic acid is going to help detoxify the skin, is going to help with all of the rest of these actives are going to help to increase the cellular ATP. So the cell is going to have more energy to act. So if the cell have more energy, then the cell is going to metabolize more, is going to do all that it needs to do. So what is going to happen? We are going to have less aging, okay? This one contains hyaluronic acid as well. So this is the Epifactor. This is a product that you shouldn't lack in your back bar. And this is a product as well that you shouldn't lack for sale to your retail clients. You can sell Epifactor to anybody. Everybody's gonna love it. You're going to see the difference for little burns, for sunburns, for little wounds, after chemical peels, after laser, after waxing, after shaving for men, Epifactor after shaving, wonderful, after IPL, after laser, okay? You can always use the Epifactor. And now here we have the retinol, okay? We have here the retinol. This is the retinol. The retinol is our product, is an emulsion, is a retinol-based formulation, and you are going to need the retinol for acne, you are going to need the retinol for rosacea, you are going to need the retinol for hyperpigmentation and as an anti-aging. Every product with retinol is going to diminish the wrinkles, okay? So you can apply it every night, mix with the Supreme Night Cream as an anti-aging. I don't recommend it alone because you are going to dry too much your skin if you apply the retinol alone. So that's why we mix it with the Supreme Night Cream. So this one is going to help with the hydration of the skin. So retinol should be applied every fortnight, okay? So you are going to apply, let's say for hyperpigmentation, 3 nights in a row, Derma-C, and then the 4th night, you are going to apply the retinol, okay? Retinol contains niacinamide, which is the vitamin B3, wonderful to decrease the hyperpigmentation as well. And it contains the Buddlegia stem cells. Buddlegia is a very antioxidant tree, is a very antioxidant molecule, okay? And that's why we have put retinol in this antioxidant, antioxidant product list, okay? And this one contains as well the licorice, which is very anti-inflammatory, and the grape seed extract, which is at the same time is antioxidant as well. So this product is going to brighten skin, it's going to restore the radiance of the skin, is going to achieve a visible younger looking skin. And here we have the Supreme Night Cream, we were just talking about it. This is the very, very hydrating and nourishing cream that we recommend to use it in the night, but you could use it in the day as well because it doesn't contain any vitamin A derivative. And the Supreme Night Cream, it is going to be for, you know, that skin that is dry or dehydrated or mature or with wrinkles, and you want this load of actives for the skin, then you are going to recommend the Supreme Night Cream, which contains vitamin C, which contains apple stem cells, which contains the milk protein complex that is going to boost the regenerative process to fortify the dermis. You need to always work in the dermis because in the dermis we have the collagen and we have the elastin, so we need to work there. We need to help with the regeneration of the dermis. And this one contains the argireline, which is a peptide that's going to combat the wrinkles in the skin, you know, and is going to this cream at the same time is going to have the vitamin C, which is very antioxidant and has a brightening effect in the skin. Okay, so Supreme Night Cream, to use it every night, mix with 1 pump of the retinol, or you could use it alone, and remember a day you could use it as well. Okay, so here we have the Hydra Q10. This is the emulsion. This is a moisturizer. Hydra Q10, this is one of our 3 moisturizers. We have Oplacent Serum, we have Hydra Q10, and we have the Ceramide MPX. So the Hydra Q10 is the one you are going to recommend for combination skin, normal skin, rosacea, sensitive skin. This one contains the Q10 enzyme, which is very, very antioxidant, contains this squalene extracted from green olives, which is going to be very hydrating, and contains the vitamin E Again, vitamin E, very antioxidant, okay? So these are the ingredients that we have here in the Hydra-Q10 for mixed or combination or sensitive or rosacea skin. And here we have the ceramide. In the ceramide, we have the vitamin E as well, which is very antioxidant. And we have the sweet almond oil, and we have the ceramide MP, which are molecules that are going to act as the lipids that we have in the skin. We have as well the pseudo-alteromonaferment extract, which is a molecule, is an active that is going to hydrate very, very deep the skin, and is going to stimulate at the same time the production of collagen and elastin. The ceramide MPX is a moisturizer for very dry skin, for very mature skin. This is the one that we are going to recommend, and at the same time it contains antioxidants. So here, last but not least, before we start talking about the masks, we have the Dermasun SPF 50, and I have it here. This is our sunscreen. This is our sun protection with titanium and zinc oxide, and contains green tea. Remember, the green tea is a wonderful and very potent antioxidant for your body and for your skin. It contains the sunflower seed oil, the panthenol, which is the vitamin B5, very hydrating, contains aloe vera and bisabolol. So this is a sunscreen, and it's going to be a moisturizer at the same time. It's not dry, it's not oily, it's just perfect for every skin type. Okay, remember, it is made with zinc and titanium, and we do not have chemical filters in this sun protection, and that's the best, because chemical filters like oxybenzone, avobenzone, octinoxate, octisalate are, you know, very harmful for the skin and for the coral barriers in the sea. Coral barriers are essential, are vital for the coexistence of everything, you know, for the environment in the sea. So we need to protect those. So when you see these sun protections that are sprayed, those are really, really bad sun protections. We need to fight against those ones. Let's talk about the masks. In the masks, we have the Essential Cryo Mask. This mask is made with spirulina, and spirulina is very, very antioxidant. It contains a very high amount of amino acids, chlorophyll, essential fatty acids, gamma-linoleic acid, and vitamins as the beta-carotene. So that's why it's so antioxidant. This mask is going to generate cold in the skin, because you are seeing the word cryo. So Essential Cryo Mask, everything that has the word cryo, it means that it's going to generate cold. So we really use this one when we are working in sagging skin, in laxity skin, and you know, when we want to work in a very, let's say, after extractions and the skin is very with inflammation, you know, so you want to bring down that inflammation, you can use cold for that. For example, for acne as well, you could use it to bring the inflammation down because of the cold that the mask is going to generate. But at the same time, it's very nourishing and antioxidant. This mask, I have it here. Let me show it to you. This is the Essential Cryo Mask. It's a very light green label. And after, remember, all of this mask, it has a powder inside, and you are going to mix the whole content with 3.5 ounces of water. You are going to mix the whole content with 3.5 ounces of water, okay? And you are going to do this mixture, you are going to apply it over the face, and you are going to leave it for 20 minutes. You can apply it in the neck and the décolleté as well. After 20 minutes, you know, this is going to get dry, it's going to get hard, and after that you can remove everything from the skin. So I have here the Vita Olive, very, very antioxidant, because this one contains spirulina. This one contains, you know, remember, spirulina, very rich in amino acids, in essential fatty acids, in gamma-linoleic acid, in chlorophyll, in beta-carotene, so it's going to be very antioxidant. And this one contains as well extract of olives, which is going to be very hydrating for the skin, and contains rosemary, okay? And the rosemary essential oil is the most active oil for its regenerative, antiseptic, and antioxidant properties. Okay, so this is the Vita Olive. This one smells like so good. So you should try this one. And you can apply to every skin type. Of course, this is going to be more for hydration treatments, but you can apply it in anybody. This mask you can, you know, combine and apply to any skin type. Other thing is that the biggest benefit of this hydroplastic mask is that they are occlusive. That means that they are going to close over the skin and they are going to make the skin absorb all the actives, all the ingredients that you have previously applied to that skin. Okay, so that's why it is so good. They are so good. The four, all of them are so good. Here we have the purifying mask. This one is made of marine silt, and it contains rosemary at the same time. So it's going to be antioxidant, is going to be decongestive. This is wonderful for acne, for congested skin, for smokers, for people that travel a lot, people that has you know, the skin with a lot of blackheads or very oily skin. You are going to use the purifying mask, which has at the same time antioxidant properties. And finally, we have here the brightening mask. This is the one with the purple label, and the brightening mask is very rich. It's made of black currant, which is very, very antioxidant, and is made with black currant and vitamin C. So this one is the bomb. It's a very antioxidant product. Okay, this is the brightening mask. We are going to use this one for blemishes, for hyperpigmentation, for sensitive skin, for rosacea. Of course, you can use it with anybody because it's not going to be any reaction or any trouble with this mask, okay, with the brightening mask. And last, we have here the vitamin C mask. This is one that comes like this, comes in a sheet. And in this sheet inside, you are going to see some patches. So this mask is going to bring 5 patches, as you see it here in the image. You have 5 patches here, and you could use 3 patches, or you could use the 5 patches if you are going to use it in the neck and the face and the décolleté as well. So it's gonna, you know, it's gonna yield a little bit more of the treatment. But if you are only going to apply in the face with 3 patches, you are wonderful done. And these patches, you are going to put them like this. I'm going to show you. You are going to put the patches inside of a bowl, and you are going to add dermatonic to the patches, and you are going to dilute the patches, and you are going to do that with the spatula. So you dilute the patches very well, and you are going to make like a mixture, you know, and with that mixture, you are going to apply it in the skin, and you need to massage it for 5 minutes. You need to massage the vitamin C for 5 minutes in order for it to release the active ingredients and do the action in the skin. This one contains, excuse me, this one contains mixed seaweed, trace element, polysaccharides, and squalene, okay? And you are going to have the oligo elements, so it's going to bring down the hyperpigmentation, is going to give a radiance to the skin because of the vitamins. This is a very powerful mask. Now, of course, you cannot apply the vitamin C to clients that cannot allow in their skin, massage. If you cannot do massage in the skin, you cannot apply the vitamin C mask. Now, we have the vitamin C mask in the Radiant C treatment, and as well in the recovery antioxidant treatment. This is the mask that we use because of the potency of the vitamin C. And I wanted to talk to you about the hand sanitizer. We have a hand sanitizer in DermaSwiss. The cost for you estheticians is $8.99, and this one is made with benzalkonium chloride. So it's going to be, you know, so it's going to be powerful as any other hand sanitizer, but it has the benefit that it's not going to dry your skin. So we came with this now in this trouble of the COVID and the quarantine, because we wanted something to help sanitize our hands. But you know, with the other hand sanitizer, the skin is going to crack, a lot of alcohol, really bad for the skin. So this is our solution to this trouble, you know, the hand sanitizer, DermaSwiss hand sanitizer. So here you have the recovery antioxidant protocol. This is the recovery antioxidant protocol. And I have here a question. Oh, okay. Rachel Kremer from Philadelphia is telling me that they are going to be closed until end of June. So all June still we have ahead. Oh my God. Okay, so here we have the recovery antioxidant protocol. You can take a print screen capture, a picture. This is the one that you are going to follow when you have this client that smoker client, or a client that traveled too much, or a client that has asphyxiated skin, like you know, a client that used to go to the beach or goes to the beach all the time, or is a sport person that takes a lot of sun, and you know, you want to give antioxidants to that skin. So this is a gentle protocol, because we do not apply the lactic acid directly in the skin. We mix the drops of the lactic acid with the derma scrub. So we don't want to heat that skin, you know, with a direct chemical peel because of the damage of the sun, and maybe the person is still going to the sun. So we want to go smooth and little by little. So the approach to that skin is going to be with less chemical peel. I have a question here. Which one, it says me, Myra now, which one you recommend more, lactic or glycolic? That depends, Myra, for what skin type or condition. So I need to know which skin type or condition you are asking me. If you are going to work, for example, more for dry skin, go with the lactic. If you are going to work more for oily skin, go with the glycolic. Glycolic and lactic both are wonderful for wrinkles. Now, you have to be very, very careful with lactic. Your client cannot take any sun if you apply the lactic acid, because the lactic acid is the one that gives more photosensitive to the skin. So you have to be careful of applying a lactic acid to a client that's not going to be, you know, is not going to follow your measures, and it is going to go to the sun. So be very careful with that. So this is the recovery antioxidant protocol, and we have this one today with a 10% discount. Here you have the price is $401. You are going to get a return of investment of $2,800. This is the minimum. From $2,800 to $3,000. This is the minimum you are going to get from any of our master protocol kit, master protocols kit. Okay, so this is the recovery antioxidant, and it's going to yield like minimum 60 treatments. Okay, so you can do a lot of applications with this protocol, and the skin is going to be so good, so wonderful. My recommendation is get it and try it in yourself, and then you can start selling it. Here we have the Radiancy protocol. The Radiancy is the lovely, lovely protocol. It's going to leave your skin like a crystal, you know, so radiant, so shiny, so wonderful. The Radiancy protocol is with the glycolic acid, and then we are going to apply the Derma-C and the retinol and the vitamin C soluble mask, and we need to massage that mask in the skin. So it's a good exfoliation, nourishing the skin, hydrating the skin, and a lot of antioxidant power as well with the Radiancy. As you can see here in the recovery antioxidant protocol, you are going to work with the vitamin C mask too, because of its antioxidant power benefits. Okay, so here you have the Radiancy kit as well with the 10% discount. We have it today for the its regular price is $376, and to that price you need to take the 10% discount. So you have here the cleanser, the toner, the Hydra Q10, the Derma-C, the retinol, the glycolic acid, the neutralizer, and 10 vitamin C masks. So this is a wonderful kit that I love, and wonderful protocol as well, master protocol that I love. This Radiant C is a protocol that you could do for hyperpigmentation for lower Fitzpatrick's, because you are going to apply the glycolic acid directly. So I wouldn't want to do that in a Fitzpatrick 5 or a Fitzpatrick 6. But yes, you could do it for 1, 2, 3, and 4 and work with the Radiant C kit, okay? With the Radiant C master protocol. And here we have the brightening illuminating. This is another protocol. This is the one that I always recommend to everybody to start working with Dermasuisse, because this is the one size. This is the one that's going to fit everybody, all of your clients, everybody. You can work with the mandelic acid without any hesitation. And of course, the wonderful results, you know, this glow in the skin. I call it like the Jennifer Lopez glow in the skin. So this is a one that you can go without fear and work with the brightening illuminating protocol. And in this one, we are going to use the Derma C, you know, with antioxidant power. And we are going to work with the brightening mask, which is made with vitamin C and blackcurrant as well. So this is another protocol that is going to offer antioxidant benefits to the skin as well. Okay, so now we have the essential kits. I just want to remind you that we have the essential kits with the 10% discount. These kits are to use at home. These kits are your tool to recommend the product to your clients at home. This is another way for you to get benefit from your skincare specialist license. I mean, you don't have a license only to do facials in a spa or in a place. You have a license to do skin analysis. You have a license to recommend product, because you know how. You should know the difference in between the different conditions of the skin. So you are going to be able to recommend which actives, which products the client should use at home. So this is another, you know, unbelievable way for you to get benefit of your license. Every esthetician think that they only can work doing treatments, and that's completely misunderstood. That's underrated. You are underrating your license, your skincare specialist license. You can do more with that. You can help people to use the product at home. You can educate your clients to use the product at home. And sometimes there is more benefit in that, because the client is going to acquire a new habit to repeat every single morning the use of a product and every single night. So when a client uses the product at home, oh my God, the change in the skin is going to be visible. The change in the skin is going to be like this, because 29, 30 days in the month, applying and applying and applying an effective product like is Dermasuisse product. Of course, there is going to be a change. Of course, you are going to see that change in the skin. Okay, so you have here the normal essential kit, that's for normal skin, for dry skin, for combination skin, which is the mixed essential kit. We have for acne, we have for sensitive skin, we have for hyperpigmentation, and we have the mature skin essential kit. I love that one because it's all of them are very complete. But you know, I have seen so many mature skin clients that they ask me for that one, for the mature skin essential kit, and I think it's very effective and very complete. With Gentle Cleanser, the Dermatonic, the Stiliv, the Ceramide, the Supreme Night Cream, and the Retinol. So remember to take the 10% off of this price, of this regular price. So that's going to be your price. Then you have to multiply that price by 2, and you are going to have the price for your clients. Okay, so start today and doing those, making those bookings to do skin analysis. You could do the skin analysis for free, or maybe charge $20 for a micro facial, for a mini facial, where you are only going to do an exfoliation with the Dermascrub mixed with glycosol, and then you apply a serum and a moisturizer and sun protection, and that's it. That's a mini facial, and the skin is going to be glowing. And after that, you know, you let the client know which are the products that they need to use at home, but you need to let them know that this is an investment in their beauty. This is an investment in self-esteem, and that they are going to have their return of their money only if they repeat every single day the routine. Okay, so this is everything for this webinar in this afternoon. And let me know if you have any question, if you have any comment. I think, yeah, a lot of people that got into this webinar in this afternoon. So, you know, in behalf of DermaSwiss, I really thank you for connecting, for giving us your time, for giving us your attention, for working with DermaSwiss. Remember to ask your representative for the Master Protocols book. Master Protocols book, the one that is dated in April or May 2020, okay? Master Protocols, because when you follow the Master Protocols, you are going to have results, okay? So thank you so much. Thank you, Daneji, and thank you, Rachel. I see you in a next webinar or a next seminar.